Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another, matter of fact, welcome to a Microsoft Flight Sim 2024 video. We are going to be taking this 777-232LR. Yeah, that's right, the LR from Los Angeles to Atlanta. We have about 3 hours and 30 minutes. So yeah, we don't have long, but we do have some thunderstorms kind of about to close in on us, so you might want to hurry up and get out of here. But yeah, I am very excited to do this video with y'all because, man, I've been waiting to fly the 777-200LR. So let's get onto this plane and let's get this flight started.
Forrest Gump and I got something in common. The world treats you different. We ain't booted up on Miley, we don't do shrooms. All we do is fast gas, loud excuse who. Twin turbo 911, make it boom boom. We in all black, my mechanic make the tool move.
All right, we're gonna start our pushback now. And by the way, I did buy the Boris audio, so if you guys haven't noticed the different sounds in the buttons, we'll wait until you hear these G90 startups and let me know if you like it. But I do apologize for this pushback tug not being available at the top left. Please just ignore that. I'm not sure why that's not going away, but I was simply trying to plan a pushback, but for some reason this thing just didn't want to. It didn't want to cooperate. So. But man, look at that Delta 777, the 777L is what they call it. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun flight. And I am actually, I'm doing a short flight because I'm kind of testing the 200LR, kind of sort of like, the performance, because I'm on Xbox, so I want to test it. But yeah, we are gonna be doing long flights with this plane. We are. It's a must. Starting engine number 1 now. 07 left is our runway to depart on, and man, I cannot wait to hear these G90s. And the spool up does sound completely different. It sounds like more like real life. I am gonna miss the old PMDG spool up. I am going to, definitely going to, guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and take off, shall we? But first, actually, we gotta set our clock, and then we can do that. flight level 380, and okay, it's 390. I thought it was 380, and maybe it was. It just changed. I'm not sure. Maybe I might be tripping. But yeah, let's climb a little bit. Oh man, This is amazing. I love flying this aircraft already. Oh my gosh, bro. Okay, 2024. See, when I first played this game, it was so like glitchy and everything. But okay, you know what? 2024 has redeemed himself. I waited a year to play this again, and look, man, this is amazing. The scenery is just, words can't describe it. Wow. So we're actually flying over Oklahoma. Well, about to fly over Oklahoma City. But man, this looks amazing. Way better than 20s. Well, no, I ain't go. You know what? I'm not gonna poop on 2020. 2020, it got me through my times. It you know, it did most of the work on my channel. But wow, that I can't even. I don't even know how to explain this, bro. But no, I'm never gonna crap on 2020 because it got me through my tough times. It is now time for our descent into Atlanta, and oh, bro. So like the city lights are reflecting off the clouds, like it's like going through the clouds. I never seen that in 2020. What the? Yeah, I'm gonna be logging a bunch of hours on this game. Alright, we are now on our final, well, approach here. Well, not final, but you know, on our last little turn. And man, actually, what I love about the 200LR is that like it has an auxiliary, an auxiliary tank, which that's actually a neat feature. And it also has, this plane also has like bump thrust as well. It's basically it can advance its throttles for a few moments and then it's gonna go back down. You know, when you're doing like heavy payload takeoffs, like heavy takeoffs. Y'all get what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, as you guys can see, we are on final approach here, and then we'll be on Atlanta's how do I say this? Atlanta's airport. We'll be like okay. Anyways, enjoy the full approach.
1,000. 500. 400. 300. 200. 100. 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, I bring you to Atlanta Hartsfield Jackson Airport. And that spool down of the engines, I don't know why that sounded so good, bro. Like, I don't know why. I can't even explain why. But yeah, here we are in Atlanta, and the runways aren't glitched. So yeah, that's a win-win for me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing to the gate. And then, oh, I just realized my co-pilot was right there. What's up, dude? You haven't said anything all trip, bro. But yeah, let's get this plane to a gate. We are now, well, yeah, we're not at the gate, and I'm pretty sure I parked at the wrong one, but honestly, we're just trying to put this aircraft up real quick. So this was actually a successful flight, I will say. We'll be doing another one like this. I don't want to reveal my next flight here. So you know, when that comes up, then that's when y'all see it. But yeah, let's go ahead and park this plane here. All right, there we go. Well, like I said, thank you guys for joining me on this 3-hour trip. We'll be doing another one like this, and if you really do enjoy it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like the video, and comment what's your favorite plane, man. I want to hear y'all thoughts, man. But other than that, see you guys in our next one.